What up, y'all? JustZay here, back getting another pickup, and of course, Miss Shasha is the co-star of today's video, and she could not wait, as any child can't, when it's Christmas in July. It is just the same as December. Today's pair of shoes coming straight from Nike. These are, of course, the Air Max Dawn. These things are only $46, so check your nearest outlet. Without further ado, let's take a look and see why. All right, so for $69, you can get a shoe that looks just like this, and if you were able to hit the outlets and find these bad boys in your size, you're looking at $44 because these were on sale. Now, regardless of what price you get these at, these are a steal. These are amazingly comfortable as well as functional. This is the shoe that has that vintage styling as well as that updated level of comfort. These shoes originally came out back in 2001, and I'll be honest, I didn't even know about them because I believe at that time Nike was pushing out the Pre-Day, which looks very, very similar. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. But nonetheless, I think this shoe is the winner. Now, I do want to point out, I have been wearing these for a little over a week or so. We'll go with 2 weeks. So your pair will not have these indentations in the midsole. They'll be fresh and brand new. But I really wanted to test these out just to make sure that I just wasn't buying these because they were cheap, or better yet, budget friendly. And I'll be honest with you guys, I love these. And you could make an argument that these are possibly better than the Pegasus 41. So as I was telling you guys, this shoe is pretty comparable in comfort as the Pegasus. But I want to at least give you an idea of what this shoe weighs. So we're looking at roughly 334 for a 10.5. And then the Pegasus 41, you're looking at roughly 312 grams. So slightly heavier, but for a lifestyle shoe, the level of comfort that this gives you as opposed to this shoe is much better for the price. Now, I don't want to dog this shoe because this was one of my favorites at the time, but this right here, for this to be a shoe that came out in 2021, and I'm just now seeing how great it is, it's like, man, it's mind-blowing. You get the big bubble right here, you get the foam midsole, you get a pull tab, and then on the traction, you have this wavy like seesaw, which is pretty good for durability and fairly good for traction as well. And like I said, man, as you can tell, I've been wearing these things. So for $44, this shoe is beyond a steal. Now, the only downside with this shoe is probably the colorways. It is fairly limited, but at the same time, as long as you got the classics like this, a black and white, and maybe a gray pair or an all white, can't go wrong. This shoe is amazing. You're gonna have the Nike swoosh right here. You're gonna have the Nike swoosh right here. Swoosh branding. Pull tab says Nike in the back. And then right here, you have Air. Man, what an amazing, oh, Nike right here. I know I forgot about that. But what an amazing, amazing shoe. I mean, look how big this bubble is. Look at that. You can see my hand. I'm gonna go on a limb on this one. I think these are better than the Air Max, the big bubble Air Max. That's just me, but I think these are better. Now, the question is, can you slip these things on with no hands? Yes. If you have them pre-laced the way I do, you should be just fine. These are a size 12 in women's, which converts to a men's 10.5. And these shoes feel amazing. Now let's talk about the height boost you're gonna gain with these. You're looking at about 1.5 inches, not quite 2 inches, but still a good amount of comfort. And man, you can slip these off with no hands as well. Now this shoe does provide a great level of stability. I want to point that out right here. This plastic little heel clip right here. Very good at reinforcing that. Now, how do these shoes fit on the inside as far as the measurement goes? These are, from the front to the back, you're looking at 11 inches. And now at its most narrowest point, just a little shy of 3.5 inches. And this sole is just a regular sole, nothing too crazy. It is super duper glued in there. I'm pulling the fabric up. You don't really feel the cushion, but it's just a regular insole that says Nike on there. Give me some that. You have fun?
Oh yeah.
Without further ado,
Bye bye bye.
bye bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.